Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so magandang araw. What we'll do today is the quick energy check-in para ito sa lahat ng Pisces. So, thank you sa lahat ng Pisces na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video and commenting below lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan niyo rin po lalo na kung nag-resonate sa inyong mga readings ko and kung kukunik kayo sa akin by subscribing para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards for the recent past, dalawang cards for the near future, and interpret natin siya, and then bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from the for the present moment, and alamin natin ano yung energy at bakit lumabas yun in connection to the recent past and how it will affect the near future. Tapos bubunot tayo ng oracle card for the advice from the universe. So I'll get the 6th card since June pa rin naman ngayon. First card is Knight of Swords, and then second card, okay, Empress. So far so good. Near future, okay, Temperance, and 7 of Wands. Okay. So in the recent past, there's this very nurturing energy from your person. Yung affection niya, yung love na pinakita niya, it's a recent past, ay sobra that you felt alam mo yun na lahat ng attention na sa'yo, you are the priority. And with the Knight of Swords here, nakita ko pa dito na there's so much intensity. Alam mo yun, yung so much excitement nung nagkakilala kayo, and medyo may impulsive energy nga lang itong person nyo when it comes to mga decisions, mga actions na gusto niyang gawin, and napansin mo naman yun in the recent past, and you felt also na parang masyadong naging mabilis ang mga pangyayari. Okay, how this person expressed his or her love towards you, and how both of you jumped into the relationship minsan. Not minsan. This was in the recent past na nangyari na siya. And I think okay naman yung present moment kasi in the near future there will be some moderation when it comes to being impulsive or acting without the proper reflecting or deciding without proper contemplation. And yung mga challenges nyo in the recent past and even the present moment ay magkakaroon ng resolution din, and ma-overcome nyo siya in the near future. And with the Temperance nga, there will be so much balance, harmony, and peace, and there's even a reconciliation din kung may mga issues man na nangyari in the recent past or even sa present moment. So tingnan natin ano ba yung energy ng present moment. Okay, Knight of Wands and 4 of Cups. So yeah, may konting ano lang pagdating sa 4 of Cups energy kasi, yun yung parang nakafocus kayo sa mga bagay na hindi nyo dapat pinagtutuunan muna ng pansin. Parang may mali sa mga priorities ninyo in life, or sa how you see things. Parang kung ano yung dapat yung pagtuunan ng pansin, as you see here, parang imbis na tumingin siya dun sa totoong ibon, nakafocus siya dito sa mga man-made birds in front of him. So parang ganun din yung nangyari. And I think it's issue nyo ngayon yung with it when it comes to the emotions, hindi siya fully express ng maayos. Merong emotional detachment na nangyayari at the moment. I think that's the challenge that in the near future ma-resolve naman. And I think at the present moment then yung emotional detachment is causing a conflict na yun yung I think kailangan yung pagtuunan ng pansin para ma-resolve nyo siya in the near future. And ayan, mag-manifest yung temperance energy. Diba? Kasi with the Knight of Wands as well, nakikita nyo dito nga na there's some discontent, some emotional detachment. Tapos, itong Knight of Wands energy pa, yung emotional detachment, parang mas nagiging siya parang nandun kayo lang sa gusto niyo lang dun sa masayang part ng relationship, 'di ba? Pero sa good part hindi. So tingnan natin kung ano yung advice ni universe para sa inyo at the present moment para ma-achieve niyo yung energy of temperance and Seven of Wands sa near future. So just a reminder that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? So let's see. Advice ni universe sa inyo ay memory. Recall, ano ba yung energy in the recent past? There's so much love, so much affection, the care, and again, may impulsiveness, pero balikan ninyo yung energy of love, the Empress energy, the abundant love that you can both give. And ayun, para mas makita ninyo na ito yung foundation, yung tamang foundation ng inyong relationship. Para mas ma-resolve nyo yung mga current issues and ma-overcome nyo nga ito in the near future with reconciliation and success and overcoming the challenges. So, ayun, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ingat!